reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself.
Welcome back. Today is a what I eat in a day video. So I'm gonna get started and make my breakfast right now. Most people call what I'm making overnight oats. I like to call them soaked oats because I actually make them in the morning. I find if you put them in the fridge overnight, they get too cold. So I like to make them fresh on the morning, and then I'll go do a workout, have a shower, and then I'll be ready to eat.
In the summer city, you never feel alone, as long as you're with me.
I'm loving soaked oats at the moment because it is really, really hot. So it's refreshing and it's so nutritious and full of protein.
There's no place on earth I would rather be.
A quarter cup of oats, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of desiccated coconut, and half a cup of your favourite plant milk. I've chosen oat. And then we just need some fresh fruit. My favourite fruit to add is half a mango. Use your favourite juicy fruit. I often add apricot or peaches or pineapple for a lovely tropical taste. This may not look yummy, but it is. It is so good. This super quick breakfast is full of healthy fats, lots of protein, fibre, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, whole grains, and it's great for gut bacteria. Oats are just so good. I love to eat them every day. They help me to stay in shape, and I love how they help me keep full till lunchtime.
I found you today. It feels like it's been forever, laughing all day. We spin around, your hand reaches mine. Feels like I can do anything, just give me a mountain to climb. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone, as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city.
What's your morning wake me up drink? I'm loving a pure frappe with ice. It is so good on hot days. This is so good. I love the flavour of mango, but pineapple, peaches, apricots, they all work in this fantastically.
Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone, as long as you're with me. Get rid of all.
I'm using homegrown fruit and veg in my lunch and dinner today. This is my first year growing some vegetables, and it feels so good eating homegrown organic veggies. It's taken very little effort to make a veg patch, and it is so rewarding. Watching the plants grow, and any excuse for me to spend more time in nature, it just fills me with smiles and happiness. Does nature make you tick too? Lunch today is a beautiful Mediterranean salad with giant beans, Greek orzo pasta, Mediterranean vegetables, and a beautiful dressing. It's really quick to make, it's so nutritious, it's a gorgeous salad. I hope you love it too. Most days I use a gluten-free protein pasta like chickpea in lunchtime salads, but this whole wheat orzo pasta is special here in Greece. It looks like rice, but it's pasta, and its texture is so smooth and lovely. It works so great in a salad. I'm using 1 cup, and this salad will serve 4 people, or 2 crazily hungry people. Olive oil is life here in the Med, and cold in salads, it's very nutritious. For the salad dressing and the bean marinade, I'm crushing 4 garlic cloves. I make a salad most lunchtimes. Each signature salad has its fruit and veg cut and styled differently. Greek salads, traditionally and typically, have large, rugged pieces of fruit and veg. In this salad, I'm using 1 small-sized Greek cucumber, half a sweet red pepper. I slice this very thinly, then my husband eats it. It's the only way I can get him to eat peppers. We eat a nutritious, colourful rainbow of fruit and veg at least twice a day to benefit from a wide range of nutrients. If you can't get hold of these green sweet pointed peppers, half a yellow pepper would be a great swap.
White onion works so well in this salad, so I thinly slice one onion. I used to avoid raw onion because of my IBS, but I've really improved my gut health with prebiotics and probiotics from fermented foods like pickles, miso, bananas, whole grains, chickpeas, greens. And the most important ingredient in this salad is an abundance of juicy fresh tomatoes. I'm using around 350 grams of fresh, juicy, sweet tomatoes. The beautiful tomato juices become part of the salad dressing. Let's put this salad together.
Starting with the dressing, I'm going to add the garlic, olive oil, some pink salt, my capers. I love pickles, they're so good for your gut health. 5-6 teaspoons of these. Now we'll mix that together. Get a bit more olive oil in there. And let's get some oregano in there. I soak, boil and freeze my giant beans. And let's get them marinating in this gorgeous dressing. Add our beautiful Mediterranean vegetables. We've got the homegrown tomatoes, homegrown peppers, some gorgeous sweet red pepper, some homegrown cucumber, and some very thinly sliced white onion. In you go, babies. Look at those gorgeous Mediterranean vegetables. This is a really nutritious salad. If you're gluten-free, swap it for red lentil or chickpea, but this Orzo Greek whole wheat pasta is very traditional and it's so unique. This smells so Greek, so Mediterranean. It is fabulous. Let's taste test. Oh, This tastes exactly how I want a Mediterranean salad to taste. Let's put this in something pretty. Okay. Garnish with a little fresh basil. And there we go.
I'm on a mission this summer to get in the best shape I possibly can, so I work out for 30 minutes early in the morning before work, and once my day job's done, I swim for 30 minutes most days, which also helps me de-stress from work and get some much needed vitamin D.
It's so hot here on summer evenings in Cyprus, so tonight we're having a really refreshing and spicy, very flavoursome salad. It's so good. I call this salad my Tandoori tofu salad. It's Indian inspired, full of Asian flavours. It's fabulous. This salad is loaded with protein from the tofu, full of nutrition from the rainbow veg, the herbs and the spices. It's so good for you and the taste is incredible. If we're exceptionally hungry, I'll always serve this with brown whole grain rice. This can be mixed in or eaten on the side. My Tandoori tofu salad is a pretty quick dinner to make. Once you've pressed and marinated the tofu, the salad takes no time to knock up. This recipe is suitable for 2 very hungry people or 4 people if you put some rice with it.
Earlier today, I ripped 1 kilogram of fresh tofu. You could use medium or firm tofu if you can't get fresh. I pressed with kitchen towels and a heavy wooden serving board, replacing the kitchen towels until the tofu was dry and ready to absorb my gorgeous marinade. My Tandoori tofu marinade is approximately 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste, half a jar of tandoori paste, around a tablespoon of light soya sauce, and the juice of 2 lemons. And make sure all the pieces of tofu are coated and let the marinade soak in for a few hours. I air fry this tofu on 200 degrees centigrade for around 15 to 20 minutes. shaking and turning the pieces halfway to make sure they're cooked evenly. And I bet once you've taste tested this delicacy, you keep on stealing chunks. This is why I make 1 kilogram, because I know I'll steal quite a lot of cooked chunks. For the salad, I'm using crunchy and robust leaves of Chinese cabbage. This has a lovely, refreshing flavour and texture. It won't wilt with the dressing, and I love Chinese cabbage for bone health, as well as purple cabbage too. This also keeps its crunch, it's nutrient dense, and it's good for heart health. We eat cabbage every day. I slice my cucumber from my garden into semicircles for this refreshing, nutritious veggie. Slice some sweet, crunchy red and mild green peppers. Very thinly slice 1 white onion and separate all the pieces. Now for the beautiful dressing. Juice 1 or 2 lemons. Dice fine a red chili pepper. Crush 2 to 4 garlic cloves. Add 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce. Mix together with lemon juice and a dash of olive oil. And chop around 1/3 cup of coriander cilantro. Time to mix the most colourful, delicious Asian style salad. To the tofu chunks, I'm adding the cucumber, small plum tomato halves, purple cabbage leaves, rough cut Chinese cabbage, my sweet peppers, onion and coriander. Drizzle the dressing on top and mix really well to get all the rainbow veg covered in the delicious dressing. And that's a typical what we eat on a work day this summer. If you'd like to see more of this style of video, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. And if you're new to my channel, check out more of my recipe videos or meal prep videos for more yummy, nutritious, plant-based recipes. Make sure your notifications are turned on and you're subscribed so you see all my future videos. And I hope you try at least one of today's recipes and come back and let me know in the comments. Have a lovely, healthy, tasty week. Bye, lovelies.